Hey, sorry, kiddo. Sorry, kiddo. It's okay. Good morning.
I get worried that I'm not right. But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? Trying to do it for the city. Feel like they're running from me. Ain't nobody.
Turn on the controller, and then we'll turn on the drone. There you go. We're gonna go up, down. Now the drone is connected with the controller. So I'm gonna go ahead and press film, start. Should be recording. Okay, it is recording now. So let's go ahead and turn this camera so you guys can see a little better. And I'm gonna do one key takeoff here and see what it does. Here we go. Should be coming up. I guess I'm gonna do it manual. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this guy. Pretty quiet little guy. Pretty smooth little drone right here. Let me see if I could tilt the camera down right here. That's up. Okay, this one on the outside is down. See if I can get myself in here. Hey, there we are. All right, if you want rates, you press the joystick on the right. That's second rate. So we're gonna take it up at second rate and see how it does. Take a look.
Trying to do it for the city. Feel like they're running from me. Ain't nobody running with me. They eyes looking shifty. I gotta move quickly. I'm hoping that they get me before they come and get me. Remember we was younger way before we was outside. Before it got blurry, they've been mixing up the lines. I guess I gotta hurry up and change my people's lives. I think I'm getting close. I wonder what if I ain't right, but what if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong? What if I'm not wrong? But what if I'm not wrong?
All right, guys, I'm gonna have to conclude this flight here. I just can't, there's just too many people. All right, you guys, I'm gonna bring this thing down, land it in my hand. Just too many people.
Yeah, I got the unboxing coming up next. I just wanted to show you guys what we go through as reviewers for drones, RC cars, whatever it may be. Even though I have all that space out there, that whole field, everybody just seems to merge right into where the drone flyer is. So, you know, it happens. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up.
I want to do a quick unboxing. I didn't really get to do a proper flight review. As you can see, I was having people coming in. Had a huge field, even though it was about almost 2 football fields long. I still had people coming in right into my section, throwing the ball right past my camera that's filming me right now and on the tripod. They just didn't care. So anyways, I never do a review like this, but I'm gonna go put this on the table. We'll take a look at what's inside. I just wanted to give you a little heads up. I will do a flight review, I'll do proper circle flight and things like that. I did do the follow me. The circle flight did work. It was fine, but you need a bigger radius. You know, I got too many trees too close and it would end up hitting. So there's no sensors on it, you guys. So I did do a follow me. And the thing is with these drones, again, the follow me, you know, it's just still toy grade, guys. It's a good drone. It flies really well, but it's still toy grade. You know, the footage is going to be shaky because there's no stabilization. It does fly really nice. The brushless motors are nice. If you take a snapshot, it's nice photos. You know, you could film, but if any kind of wind or any little movement of the drone, you're going to have shakiness in that film. So the circle me mode is more of a gimmick. I wouldn't even use it, to be honest with you. And the follow me mode it's kind of all over the place. The drone will be sideways and you would be at like the corner of the view. So it's not getting a full shot of you in the picture. It turns sideways a bit and then it follows you, and it's just not a good picture. So if you're thinking of getting this to follow you on your bike or anything like that, I would suggest something different, a little more upgraded drone. So, but anyways, let's take a look at this. We'll see what came inside this, and then we'll do a proper flight review on another video coming up soon. So, all right, let's go ahead and open this up real quick and take a look in here. I know with HolyStone, they were always really good about their manuals here. So their manuals are always fully detailed, caution about the batteries. It's just really well put together. That's one thing I like about it. You can actually read it, understand it. You know, it's not just thrown together like a lot of those drones are, but HolyStone's been really good on that. But a lot of this stuff's unwrapped because I took it out for a flight already. They usually keep everything nice and wrapped up. This is like a screwdriver, extra screws, so I'm not going to open that up. You got 2 chargers here to charge the battery, which is really nice, and you got extra propellers in here. So I'll go ahead and unfold that out. So yeah, you do have you got a full set of propellers here, so that's good. Good to know in case you lose one or smack a tree or something. It happens, man. Sometimes, even though you calibrate these things, it happened to me out there. I didn't have it on camera, but it started kind of moving around, so I had to land it and shut it down, recalibrate it, because it just, probably the area I'm at, probably just had high either 5G Wi-Fi around, or you know, something was interfering. So just land it again, shut her down, restart the process, and get it recalibrated. So, and you'll have no problem. But you got 2 of these. And with the drone, I wanted to show you real quick. When you first get it, I put it back in there. Make sure you take that red piece out. They just did that so it don't connect. You don't have to keep it. It's just, they just put that there. That way the battery's not pushed all the way in and staying in there. All right, my audio went out. So what I was trying to say right here, this is a 7.6 volt and it's 1700 milliamps. So it's not a very long flight time, but they do this so that way it lightens the weight up to keep it under that 250 grams. I'm just showing you here the adapter. You need to have your own adapter, plug it into your computer or laptop, and it's real easy and simple to connect. See, that's all you got to do, guys. And there's the cable to plug into the bottom of your controller. Right here, I'm just explaining about the antenna. Make sure the antenna's up when you go to fly. And then there's your phone holder here. Then you have your buttons here for the power. And then you got like the return to home. And I'll do a proper flight review and go over every single one of those. It does have 2 rates, as I was just showing you there, of speed. And then you got your camera adjust for up and down. It's only a motorized gimbal, so you know it's not going to take out any of the shaking when you're filming. So you got the record button here. You just got to hold it down for a few seconds, press record. Make sure you do the same when you're done recording. And one last thing I wanted to show everybody is where the SD card goes. So I'm using a SanDisk. This is a 16 gigabyte, and it is a class 10 since we're going to be at a higher resolution filming. So I recommend this SD card. I use it on all my devices. So anyways, wanted to just show you one last thing. This is a motorized gimbal, so you will not have any stabilization. All right, everyone, really appreciate you watching. God bless you all. Here's a little bit of the follow me mode to end with the credits here.